All right, team, welcome to another exciting video. Right now we're going to be working on smartpay and smartpay leasing. Now all we do, go to this link. The links are located in the share drive as well as the passwords. Now once we're here, we're going to go ahead and fill out all the information with the customer: the first name, last name, email address, their phone number, their date of birth, and their social. Now all these names have to be correct, if not the application will not go through. Go ahead and continue. So I did this before. Now my address is preset. If the customer's done this before, it's gonna automatically pop up. Verify that the address is still correct. We'll hit continue and we'll wait on decision. All right, and the approval did come in. Now the approval came in at $800. Okay. So in order to process everything, we're going to go ahead and select whatever product we're going to put them on. Now, this has to happen. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. We must select the plan. So our go-to would be, let's say, Total Wireless. They're going to do an unlocked device. We're going to put a description, the IMEI number, the amount. Let's say the phone is $500. We're going to put the SIM card number in, and we're going to select the service plan as well. Now once we have the service plan, let's say $35 plan, you hit tab a couple times, and this is going to say what's due today. 106.53 would be due today, and that will be taken out every 30 days. Now the down payments on these are required to have a bank account. They could be Chime, Current, there's Varo Bank that's actually good for this. And those are the only 3 prepaid banks that are going to work. Everything else has to be a direct debit card. It cannot be anything prepaid, no Amscot, no Cash App card, no PayPal card. It has to 150% be that. Now see, we have a remaining balance here. We're always going to try to use that up. Go ahead and max these guys out so we can make max profit. And that is SmartPay. So if you need help with how to ring this out, go ahead and visit the other videos on the B2B system. And that's it, team.